Good morning, everyone. Today's Wednesday, and as you saw yesterday, it was snowing. Today's actually pretty nice out. It's cold. I think it's like gonna be a high of 44 degrees today. But I think, would you say tomorrow it's gonna possibly rain and snow?
Yeah, it's supposed to rain all day.
It's supposed to rain all day tomorrow. And I think Friday, Saturday, Sunday, there's chances of more snow. So I think sadly we're gonna pack up the outside early. We'll get all the outside stuff packed up. And then I think we're gonna try to go to Summit Peak. There's a little 2.5 mile hiking trail that goes where 3 different waterfalls are. I think we're gonna do that and see what else there is to do. You are so crazy. What are you barking at, yourself? You're the one being a Fruit Loop. You're a Fruit Loop. Jezebel loves this kind of weather. I swear you're part husky. Oh no. Do you have an itch you can't get to? What is that? For some early morning crazy. You're so crazy. You're so cute. Alright. Let's get all your stuff together so we can go on some adventures. Alright, we made it to Summit Peak. So I got these 2 girls. He's got a backpack full of fuzzy boys. You guys ready? Oh, we're gonna go to the 3rd highest spot in Michigan. Alright, here's platform number 1, I'm guessing. Oh, hold on, girls. That is awesome. How awesome. That's icy still. That is ice. That's scary. Wow. That's cool. Hi, boys. They're like, I don't know. We don't care. We just like to be with you guys. We just like to be with you guys. You're so silly. What are you doing, Celine? You're so silly. You guys are so silly. Alright. Onward and up. Alright. I think we are about there. Ooh, it's getting icy again. Hey, hold on. Mom's gonna slide on the ice. Look at all that ice. Hey, Celine, come back up here. Summit Peak. So now, hey, Celine, would you please not be down there? Now we're going up there. Very carefully. We made it to the top. It is amazing. Hey, you both are on a short leash. Short leash, safe harnesses. Don't need no accidents. You guys are so high up. So high up. 4 little heads. You guys are adorable. Hey guys. You guys can't come out right now. No, you cannot. That is crazy, isn't it? That is beautiful. It was totally worth the climb. All right, going back now. At least everything's downhill. Come on, I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh my goodness, why do you do that everywhere? Now you're filthy, thank you. You're welcome. It's a good look for you. Dirty. All right, come on, Jay. Come on. We got more exploring to do. More exploring. All right, we are at, oh wow. Come on, every place. Why every single,
so good.
That's how you, oh, now you're covered in leaves. That's how you almost fell off a cliff once. Yeah. Actually, legit fell off the cliff. Daddy saved you.
Daddy
all right.
Jumped over the cliff after.
So, he did jump over the cliff after you. That's why we have these harnesses on now. But we are on our next adventure. All right. Made it to the suspension bridge. That's cool. Oh, we'll go down here and check this out. I'm gonna go down here. Ooh, hold on. Wow. It's definitely fast moving. Hey, come here, this side. Gotta be safe. That's Lake Superior right there. Can't really see it, but it is like literally right there. Up here. All right, we came back up. All right. Suspension bridges sometimes freak Celine out. She's doing okay this time. Good job! Oh, now she realizes it's moving. That's cool. Thanks, cuties. Hi, you doing okay? It's a wobbly thing. Pretend it's in a piece of agility equipment. Alright, so we made it to Manabezho Falls. Very cool. So there's the actual falls. It's a lot of spray coming off of it, isn't it? That's so pretty. Alright, so that should be waterfall number 1, right? Hi! Hellos! Hey, don't put your head down there. Not safe. Right? Right. Alright. So, got another flight of stairs to go up. Yay! Alright, you guys ready? Let's go! Alright, so we got alright, here we got. We had Manabezho Falls, and then now we're going to
Manido.
Manido? Manido? I don't know.
Manido.
Whatever.
Manido.
We got more stairs. Alright, we got close so we can get to the falls over here. This is cool. Alright, hold on. Don't drag Mama too much. Down and down and down. Oh yeah, right up there. That's not far. Okay. Look at this. Alright, we gotta be careful. Alright, come here, Celine. Wow. How cool. You're sticking your head out. Huh? You're crazy. How cool. Here we go. Stay up here. Oh, that's a rushing waterfall. Beautiful. Of the moisture. No, you can't go anywhere. Wow. Hold on. There you go. Manido Falls. Hey, you can't go that way. See these giant poles here? Or wooden beams? That means you can't go that way. Just because you fit doesn't mean you should. Come on. Come on. Jeez Louise. Up and up and up. The things we do for adventures. Alright, getting a water break before we go to the next falls. You thirsty? I'm sure you're thirsty. You look very involved. Here, you want to hold it for a minute? Hey, you guys can come out and play. You're going to do a little mini hike. A little mini hike. Because you got little mini feet. Can you imagine if you did that hike like the dogs? We would still be like 100 feet in.
We'd still be up.
You guys are adorable though. I gotta get your guys' water bowl too. Even though you've been just sleeping. Sleeping and chilling. Alright. Alright, we are at Nawadaha Falls. Nawadaha Falls. There's the fancy sign. I'm probably butchering the name, I'm sorry. Nawadaha Falls. It's right there. And hopefully it legit is like right there because those stairs were a killer. But he made a good observation. You can actually hear it, so should be right there. Girls ready for another adventure? Another waterfall. All right, we're gonna get you out. Scenic area. Ooh, that's my shadow. That's all you see. Oh, it's the largest river in the Porcupine Mountains. That's good to know. Look at that. Awesome sauce. All right, can you do me a favor? You lie down. Lie down. Thank you. Stay. Stay. They almost look kind of like stairs. Yeah. Nawadaha Falls. Alright, well, there is maybe like 3 more waterfalls that I wanted to look for. I can't remember the names now. I think it was Nonesuch Falls,
Little Gorge or something.
Little Gorge Falls, something Gorge Falls, and oh my, I don't remember the other one. There's another one, I don't know. There's supposed to be 3 of them over there that we somehow missed, so I think that's gonna be the plan. Yep. To maybe try and find them if we can find them. So, if so, that'll put us at how many waterfalls? This was number 9, right?
Find the 3, it'll be 12.
So, maybe we can squeeze in at least one of them and make 10 waterfalls on this trip. Not a bad number. Everybody seems to be doing okay. You doing okay, big girl? Huh, JJ? It's like no problems. Alright, so we found one of the waterfalls I wanted to see. Nonesuch Falls. Here's some information on, I guess, a village that was back there or something. Nonesuch Mine. But there's that if you want to read any of it. Some interesting stuff. My guess is that this is probably further back than where the waterfall is. I don't think we're actually going to come across that. I could be wrong though, so we're going to try this. Okay. It could be for nothing, because if it starts getting crazy, I'm turning around. Alright, Nonesuch mine site, Nonesuch waterfall, 3/4 a mile. Alright, so I'm trying to be quiet. Hopes we can see some nature. But I don't think it's that far of a walk. We parked where the top blue dot is. We're there. I think it's where those roads meet. Danger falling rocks. Stay away from building foundations. I wonder what it means, building foundations. Oh, that's cool. That's interesting. A little building there.
This is a copper mine.
Oh, copper mine?
City. Copper mine.
That's cool. I'm coming, Celine. Slow and steady. Oh, this is cool. They got it all fenced off. Don't climb on it. Okay. Come on, Celine. That's cool. It's interesting how it was made, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Hey, come on. There's a fence there for a reason. Oh wow. That's a thick wall. Look at that. That's cool. Didn't expect to see this down here. Very cool. Alright, let's go. Alright, so we went off trail and got to the actual Nonesuch Falls. So there it is, way down there. It's definitely the falls. I had to climb out on this rocky formation thing on top of it to see it. This is not dog friendly. So you guys got to stay there. Good job. Nonesuch Falls.
Nonesuch Falls.
Alright, we may or may not have found Little Union Gorge Falls. This is definitely the Little Union River. And I kind of peeked down that way and it looks like there's probably falls there. Hey, no, don't eat that. Don't eat that. Don't eat that. No, don't eat that. She was trying to eat the mushroom. It was weird. You can't eat mushrooms. No mushrooms. Alright, come on.
Like this.
I think so. It's kind of cool. Oh yeah, that's definitely a waterfall. Come on, puppy. Oh yeah. Wait, I'm not even that far. Why do you panic so much? That's kind of cool. Weirdo. Waterfall number 11. Awesome. We did good, puppy. We did awesome. I didn't think we'd find it. Huh? That's cool. Think it's cool? You don't really care, do you? You just want to smell things? You just want to smell things? Yeah. How can you tell when Fred left? All right, come on. Hold on. Oh, you're tangled. Come on. There you go. I know. Now you're pulling like a freight train. I know, because they're over there. Way cooler pictures. Daddy finds all the cool stuff. All right, let's get down there. Oh yeah, let's find Daddy. Come on. Oh, see, nobody was losted. Good job. Ooh. What?
Top, right there.
That's cool.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, it keeps going. It's kind of cool. How awesome. It's so slow moving and just kind of trickles all the way down. That's awesome. Alright, me and Celine are kind of in the middle of the waterfall. There's the top, at least the top as far as we can see. And it comes all the way down here. Where are you at? There you are. It kind of goes around us all the way over there. Then it just keeps toppling. It's a cool waterfall. Someone wants to go swimming. Jay, it's definitely not deep enough for swimming. Good job. We did it. We got all the way over here. That's cool. Oh, that's pretty cool too. Look at all that. Very neat. Alright, so now we gotta get from here back over there. Alright, you ready? We're gonna go this way. Come on. Hey, ready? Careful. Alright. Hey, ready? Why don't you go this way? Go on. Good dog. Stay up here. Go on. Let's go. Good job. We did it! Hooray! That was exciting. These are definitely worth it. These are cool. Ow. What are you trying to do? Can't go in. Are you thirsty? Is that good tasting water? Awesome. Alright, let's get some pictures. Alright, life of an Instagram dog. Alright, you done taking pictures? Ready? You come here to me? Come here. Careful. Careful. Here, here, here. Good job. Sit. Good girl. You did so good. You take such good pictures. Such good pictures. Good job. All right. Now we gotta get back up where they are. You ready? I know. This was cool though, wasn't it? Definitely one of the coolest. Very cool. All right, last visit to Lake of the Clouds. I think 3 times in a week is enough. We took it as a just us thing. We left all of the furry critters in the car. So.
Hopefully there's a car to come back to.
Oh, there'll be a car to come back to. They're not bad. They're good. Ow, that's a rock. It's definitely worth it. How beautiful. Time to go. Come on. Yay, home sweet home. Alright, come on, Celine. Go to the crate. Although you probably can't find the door. Come here. Oh, right here. I know. It's in a weird spot. I don't know why. For some reason, things kind of end up funny up. Look at all the leaves. Look at all the leaves. Bet you girls are hungry. You hungry? We're gonna get a fire going, get some dinner, and relax for the evening. Everybody just wants inside. They're all waiting to get inside for some reason. Silly girls.